All right, this will be a quick recollection for you on how to create a scale score, a subscale score in SPSS, and how to do that both if you need a mean of the items and how to do it if you need a sum of the items. So in this case, we're going to go to transform. In either case, we're going to go to transform compute variable. First thing you want to do is put in the name of your variable. In this case, we're going to do PC mom. These are all parent-child inventories, so this is parent-child scale. And the first thing we want to do, we're going to create a subscale that has 6 items on it. So we're going to do mean.5. If they only missed one of the items, I'll go ahead and make a score for them. So PC mom 1, comma, the next item. Next, you're just going to pop over all of your items and put commas in between them. And then we're going to do a close parenthesis on the end. At this point, it's going to return a mean for us. So if what we need is a mean for the items on that scale, this is going to set us up perfectly. Make sure to hit paste so it'll show up in your syntax file. Then you can just highlight that syntax, make sure it's highlighted. If you just press run without highlighting, it doesn't do anything. And press run. And it will go ahead and create a scale score for you. So if we pop back here to our data set, we scroll to the other end, we'll see we now have a variable called PCMom with scores in it. So let's go back. What if we weren't supposed to have it as a mean? Items on this scale go from 1 to 7, and so all of our scale scores right now go from 7 to 1. Our lowest one down there is about a 2.17. What if we were supposed to actually create that as a sum or a total of the items rather than a mean? In that case, we're going to go back to transform compute variables. We'd start the same way. We want mean.5 and a list of the items that we want. But in this case, at the end, we're going to put times 6. So now it's going to take whatever that mean is and it's going to multiply it by the number of items on the scale. So at this point, it's mean.5, the list of all 6 items, times 6. And it'll take that mean and times it by 6, which will return basically a total score or a sum of the items. I'll go ahead and hit paste. Let's do this one as sum. You didn't want to create 2 variables with the same name was the error message we just got. We'll then highlight that again and hit run. And now if we pop back over here, we'll see we have a run. So it just took that mean of 7 and it times it by 6 and we got 42. There we go. That's how to create scale scores, both how to create them as a mean and how to create them as a sum.